We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Either in English it is generally pronounced as Tanisha, Tanisha, so a schwa sound on the first syllable, emphasis on the second syllable, Tanisha, although in some regions, accents, languages, origins, it might be said as Tanisha, Tanisha, or Tanisha. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.